everyone! We're preparing our food here for tonight. So, mamaya, kain-kain tayo. Now, I just want to introduce you the food that I made for our evening, for our New Year Eve. This is fish, sweet and sour. And this is pork ribs. How can I call this? Like paksiw, lechon kau paksiw style, lechon paksiw style. Sorry for that. And this is chop suey and some salad. I did not make more foods because I know our neighbors, they will give us just like that. And I have some bread for later when you know you need to eat some sweet, so we have this. Yeah, just very simple. I will just introduce you next time how to make it. Thank you and Happy New Year everyone. Keep safe.